Looking for an affordable employee communication platform? In this video, we will review Pebb, cover its features, pricing, pros and cons, and help you decide if it is the right choice for your business in 2026. What is Pebb? Pebb is an all-in-one employee communication platform designed to keep teams connected. It combines team chat, company news, video calls, employee directories, task management, knowledge sharing, and engagement tools into a single app. It is built for both office employees and frontline workers, making communication simple across the entire organization. Key features. One of Pep's biggest strengths is its team messaging, offering private chats, group conversations, and company-wide announcements. It also includes a social-style company news feed where organizations can share updates, recognize employees, and keep everyone informed. For collaboration, Pep provides voice and video calls, task management, file sharing, and a knowledge base for storing important company information. Another useful feature is the employee directory, allowing staff to quickly find coworkers and departments. Pep also supports employee engagement through polls, surveys, and recognition features, helping companies build a stronger workplace culture. Pricing. Pep stands out because it offers one of the most generous free plans available, making it an excellent option for startups and small businesses. For larger organizations that need advanced administration, security, and enterprise features, paid plans are available at competitive pricing. Pros. Generous free plan, easy to use interface, combines multiple workplace tools into one platform, works well for both office and frontline teams. Mobile apps make communication accessible anywhere. Cons. Advanced enterprise features require a paid plan, may not offer the same level of customization as some larger enterprise platforms. Businesses already using Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace may find some feature overlap. Final verdict. So is Pep the best employee communication platform in 2026? If you are looking for an affordable, user-friendly platform that combines chat, announcements, collaboration, and employee management in one place, Pep is definitely one of the strongest options available. It's especially well suited for startups, small businesses, and growing companies that want an all-in-one communication solution without a high price tag. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.